Have you ever wondered why some people become fluent in English while others study for years and still struggle to speak confidently? The truth is that fluency is not about knowing every grammar rule or memorizing thousands of words. Fluency is the ability to understand and express your thoughts naturally and confidently. In this video, I will share practical strategies that can help you become fluent in English faster. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, reading, and confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. Understand what fluency really means. Many learners think fluency means speaking like a native speaker. That's not true. Fluency means being able to communicate your ideas smoothly without constantly stopping to think about every word. Think about your native language. You don't know every word, but you can still communicate effectively. The same applies to English. Your goal should not be perfection. Your goal should be communication. Remember this: fluent, not perfect. Part 2. Listen to English. Everyday listening is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. Many learners focus only on grammar books and vocabulary lists. However, language is learned mainly through exposure. Listen to English every day. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, news movies, TV shows, audiobooks. Choose content that matches your level. If you're a beginner, start with slow English videos. If you're intermediate, listen to normal conversations. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea. The more English you hear, the more natural English will sound to you. Part 3. Speak every day. This is the most important step. Many students spend years learning English but never practice speaking. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve through practice. Start speaking English every day. You can talk to yourself, describe your surroundings, explain what you did today, read aloud, record your voice. For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast. Today I am studying English. Simple sentences are enough. The goal is to make English a daily habit. Part 4. Learn phrases instead of single words. Many learners memorize individual words. This makes speaking difficult because your brain must build every sentence from scratch. Instead, learn phrases. For example, instead of learning only the word happy, learn, I am happy to help. I'm really happy today. That makes me happy. Instead of learning agree, learn, I completely agree. I agree with you. That's a good point. Learning phrases helps you speak faster and more naturally. Part 5. Improve your vocabulary. Smartly. You don't need 10,000 words to become fluent. Most daily conversations use a relatively small number of common words. Focus on high-frequency vocabulary. Learn words related to family school work, travel food technology, hobbies. Whenever you learn a new word, learn its meaning, learn its pronunciation, use it in a sentence. For example, word, opportunity. Sentence, this job is a great opportunity. This method helps you remember vocabulary longer. Part 6. Read every day. Reading improves vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. Start with simple materials. You can read short articles, news stories, children's books, English blogs, graded readers. While reading, don't stop for every unknown word. Try to understand the overall meaning first, then check important words later. Even 15 minutes of reading daily can significantly improve your English. Part 7. Think in English. Many learners translate every sentence from their native language into English. This slows down speaking. Try thinking directly in English. Start small. When you see a chair, think, that's a chair. When you look outside, think, it's a sunny day. When you're eating food, think, this tastes delicious. Gradually, your brain will begin using English automatically. Part 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to fluency. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of making mistakes. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes are part of learning. If you wait until your English is perfect, you may never start speaking. Instead, speak confidently, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. Progress is more important than perfection. Part 9. Create a daily English routine. Consistency beats intensity. Studying for 10 minutes every day is often better than studying for 3 hours once a week. Here's a simple daily routine. Morning. Listen to English for 15 minutes. Afternoon. Learn 5 new words or phrases. Evening. Read an English article for 15 minutes. Night speak or record yourself for 10 minutes. That's less than 1 hour per day. But if you do it consistently, your English will improve dramatically. Part 10. Be patient and stay motivated. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. Learning a language is a journey. Some days you will feel confident, other days you may feel stuck. That's normal. Keep practicing. Celebrate small improvements. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. Maybe tomorrow you understood an English video without subtitles. These small victories add up over time. Success comes to those who keep going. Conclusion. Let's quickly review the steps. Understand what fluency really means. Listen to English every day, speak every day, learn phrases instead of single words, build vocabulary smartly, read regularly, think in English. Don't fear mistakes. Follow a daily routine, stay patient and consistent. Remember, English fluency is not a talent, it is a skill, and like every skill, it improves with practice. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised by how much progress you can make in the coming months. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.